Hey, welcome to GiveMeApps here at Mall, the #1 independent app store. Today we're checking out Monoline. This is by Merton.cz, also sponsored by Merton.cz. This app is a simple, somewhat interactive journal that allows you, of course, to chronicle your daily happenings, as well as attach pictures to those daily happenings to provide some context, which is pretty cool. It's very easy to use. It's a simple, quick install, and it has a nice set of features. Now, one of the cool things I like about this is that it limits your entries to 140 characters, so it really makes you become thoughtful in the Twitter style of writing. Last year they upped it to, I believe, 280 characters, but 140 characters really makes you take some pause and think about what it is that you want to enter into your journal. Now, one of the cool things also is that it also provides goal context. If you think about it, if you're looking up here, you can see today is May 25th, Memorial Day in the U.S. And you can see what we put in here. I said, I purchased a new trumpet. And if I click on this log here, this entry, you can see my trumpet there because I attached a photo. And you also see what I did that day because I entered a simple line of text, purchased a new trumpet, which is pretty cool. Now, you can opt to delete that. If you notice here, it says day 1 because this is truly the first day that we're using the app. So keep that in mind. Now, if I scroll down, to provide some goal context, if you perhaps set a goal in the previous year, you can see the previous year's entry right beneath it. And if I had previous entries from before that, you would see those beneath them as well. Now, obviously, today's the first day that we're using the app, so I kind of backstep and put a, quote unquote 2019 occurrence. Didn't actually happen, but you can see how it would lay things out when you actually use the app. We're going to go backwards here. Take a look here. This is May 24th. You can see here I said, today my objective is to get my kitchen completely clean from top to bottom and paint a room or two. We're going to act as if this is what I did that day, but you can see there a picture of the studio. And beneath that, you can see something from last year. All right, so you guys get the idea here. Let's show you some of the other features here. If you go and click or tap rather this icon here, the settings icon, you can try out different themes. We're currently on the light theme. If we tap on dark, we're going to get the dark theme. Pretty nice. A nice charcoal gray. And you can even go custom. You can do your own custom themes. Now take a look here. You have some information. You can export the diary as a CSV file. Very useful. You can make a backup of the diary. You can even restore a backup of the diary. In fact, when you first use the app, for the first time, it asks you if you have information elsewhere that you want to back up to this device. You may have bought a new device, a new phone, a new tablet, and you may want to take all of your entries and put them on this tablet or phone or device. You can also set up a password. I'm not going to use that, but if you wanted to lock your diary from others, you could set up a password, and then it asks you to confirm your password. You can see it here. I'm not going to create one on camera, but you do know that the functionality exists. Let's get out of there. And of course, you get some cool notifications. You don't want to slow down and get lazy, so you can opt to receive a reminder or not receive a reminder. You can toggle that, and you can even set the time where you want that. Now, if you notice here, you have some ads on the bottom. You can get rid of that with an in-app purchase. Right now, the app is currently set to remind me at 9 a.m. every morning that I do want to receive some reminders. Now, notifications. You have remove ads and restore purchases right there. That's all in the settings menu. All right? So we're going to walk you through how to create an entry. We're not on May 26th, but we're going to show you how this works. It says you can enter a note here in the future. So perhaps you might want to set up some plans for tomorrow. All we need to do is just tap this here. And once you get there, you can start entering information in. Now I'm going to click on the gallery icon. I'm going to just select a random photo. We'll use this photo here. All right. This is a picture of a house. And from there, you don't have any earlier notes on this date, of course, because we didn't do anything in the previous year. And from there, you can enter in a note and call it a day. All right. So you can see here we have our entry here, and we are otherwise good to go. Let's get out of here temporarily. We'll look at a previous date. Let's go back to May 23rd. You see here it says today I was extremely productive. I had a contractor come in and fix my ceiling. Have a picture of the ceiling there, and take a look. Here's where you type today's note. So I could say something like on the 23rd. And by the way, I'm using my Bluetooth keyboard, which is why you don't see the keyboard popping up on the screen. I can say today will be a day of rest. All right, again, I'm using my Bluetooth keyboard. If I didn't have my Bluetooth keyboard attached, you'll see the keyboard pop up on the screen there. Once I'm ready to go, and by the way, here's my Bluetooth keyboard so you can see what I'm talking about. Tap on save, and you're good to go. You can add a photo if you want to do that. I'll just get another random photo on my device, And let's choose this one right here, another house. All right? And once you put that in, you are good to go, my friend. You can even delete entries if you want to do that. We'll do that for you here on camera. If I delete that, after deleting this entry, it cannot be recovered. And there it is. Guys, this is Monoline Diary by Merton CZ. This is for Android. Cool app that allows you to chronicle your days. You can keep your journals up to date. Why not create a journal? This is the best way to set goals, to move forward, and to reflect. Self-reflection is always an important thing to do. Don't forget, you can keep up to 140 characters. You can enter in up to 140 characters, and it really helps you to become thoughtful about what it is that you're going to enter. Guys, once again, this is Monoline. This is the GiveMeApps YouTube channel. GiveMeApps.com is the world's #1 independent app store. Download apps for any Android tablet, any iOS tablet or device, any Windows Phone tablet or device. If you're a developer, it's the only site that allows you to keep the full 100% of your download sales. Once again, Monoline Daily Diary Journal with lock and photos. We hope you enjoyed this as much as we did, guys. Till next time.